one thing I like about closed roads and 720 BHP Supras is that you can do this.
What? Wow. Oh my word. Well, that's an event. Karl, welcome to the channel.
Thanks,
Right, let's talk about this car. 720 horsepower, and my word, it's an absolute beast. That was middle boost there.
that was middle boost.
We like a bit of middle boost. Flipping hell.
It doesn't really work on this one, as you can see.
No. I mean, do you know what this is? We're just saying the 2JZ engine is just bonkers. I mean, just listen to it. And fortunately for me, we've got to go back the other way. I mean, have a listen. Karl, that's pretty sick. Yeah. Okay, let's bring this down a notch and go back to the more sensible part of the video. Insane. Welcome to Karl's 720.
Yeah, 720.
720 horsepower Toyota Supra. Mate, how long have you had this?
It's coming up to 4 years now.
4 years?
Yeah.
And you bought it standard and built it yourself?
Not completely, no. It had the manual swap done already, which is a big cost.
Yeah.
So it was a twin turbo car when I bought it.
Yeah.
And a couple of years ago I converted it to a single turbo.
Nice. Yeah, because the turbo's huge, isn't it?
Yeah, 66 mil, yeah.
And it's a all-water turbo.
On a twin scroll turbo, yeah. It's a proper turbo, it's great.
Yeah. Mate, this is I've never been in a Supra. I was saying we were saying off camera that I've had some previous chap cars in the past. I've had 2 Evos, but never a Supra. As in, never been in one. And what is this? 25 years old?
Yeah, 1993.
You wouldn't think it.
No.
You wouldn't think it. I mean,
Me.
my ultimate recollection of Toyota Supras is obviously, ironically, Fast and Furious.
Yeah.
2JZ engines came alive when they were promoting it through that film. And mate, it just looks absolutely stunning.
Thank you.
Absolutely stunning. So talk to me a little bit about kind of the journey behind it. So kind of what made you want to get it to 720 horsepower?
Well, I've dreamed about getting one of these since I was a kid, since Gran Turismo days.
Yeah.
And Need for Speed Underground and all those sort of things. Always used to build a Supra on those games.
Yeah.
And I decided I had to have one once I could afford one. I had a Monaro VXR before this.
Yeah.
And the big V8 thing got a bit boring, and I wanted a boosted car again. So I thought let's go and get one when I got the money.
Yeah.
And I bought it on twins, and it was in a nice colour, but it had a body kit on it, and it wasn't quite what I wanted it to be.
Yeah.
But I had a vision for it, so I made it look how I think it should look.
Yeah.
I kept it for a couple of years like that.
Yeah.
And it was great on twin turbo. The twin turbo system was amazing, and that's what these cars are sort of known for. But then it came a couple of years in, and I thought, do I get another car, or do I just keep the car alive? And I couldn't think of anything that I wanted more, so I decided to put a load of money into this one
And go single turbo.
single turbo.
720 horsepower.
Yeah, and I had no idea what it would be like, and
Well, let's find out.
yeah, it's not a good day for it.
No, it's
unfortunately, but
Wow.
this is low boost as well. Yeah.
Mate, it literally just lights up the tyres, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's probably the worst day to kind of come out in this car.
Yeah, I think we'll have to come again when it's a bit nicer and do a proper video. But
Yeah, definitely.
you can get an idea of what it's like.
Wow. That noise.
It makes some good noises.
Yeah, I was going to say that wastegate chatter is pretty insane. And do you know, I think that's what the Japanese get right. You know, most of the time, and I was going to say that they don't really go all in on the interior, though this, to be fair, is nice for the age of the
lovely,
car.
isn't it?
It's a really nice place to be. I mean, it's very driver-centric. That cockpit looks a bit like a fighter jet cockpit.
Yeah, the passenger doesn't really matter in this car today.
But what the Japs do very well is just noise and engine.
No, the engine's amazing, and it's a standard engine. It's
Yeah.
just got all the bolt-ons you can do, upgraded cams, a good ECU, and this is about as far as you can go with it still being
Yeah.
safe.
But it's 700 horsepower.
Yeah, you
pretty
don't
much.
need loads more.
You don't need anything more.
It's the third and something, yeah.
It's a third gear.
A bit of lag.
Wow. 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 Okay. Mate, that was third gear lighting the wheels up. That's serious. But you know what? I sit there and obviously I'm shocked because I've never been in something this powerful. But for you, this must be like, yeah, it's casual. You're used to it.
Yeah, yeah. It still scares me in high boost.
Yeah.
I don't use high boost all the time.
Well, I mean, to put it into perspective, what we just did there, so we're in low boost at the moment.
Yeah.
What's the turbo running at on low boost?
It's 1.2 bar, so it's about 530 horsepower in this setting.
Mate, the noises that come out of this car, oh my word, you'll make me want to buy a Supra. Grant was right, he said, mate, when you get in that car, you want a Supra.
Yeah, everyone.
Unbelievable. Wow.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, mate. But there's got to be like, I mean, I know we were talking about, you've got like loads of kind of different kind of traction control settings on this car.
Yeah, so it's a 7Xii ECU,
Yeah.
so it's the best ECU I think there is. An 8-stage traction control system.
Yeah.
It's off at the moment.
Yeah.
You've
You
got-
say the traction's off.
The traction's off now. It's on video, why not?
Yeah.
And you've got 8 different map settings.
Yeah.
4 of them are for different boost levels. You've got valet mode. You've got
Yeah.
pop and bang map.
So you've got pop and bang.
Yeah.
Ah,
Try some
okay.
pop and bang.
Yeah, let's have a little listen to pop and bang.
So this is where you just get enormous flames out of that. That's just pure flames.
Mate, that's ridiculous. That is absolutely ridiculous. And mate, I think so. The colour, is the colour standard, or did you?
No, so this is bayside blue, which is a
Yeah.
Nissan colour.
Yeah.
So it's
I
the
was gonna
colour
say.
of a Nissan R34,
Yeah.
R33s, which is quite controversial, and I think that's why the car gets so much attention.
Yeah.
There's not many of them. There is a few in this colour now, but I suppose most people would think this colour should be on this car. But
Yeah,
I think it looks great.
I think you're right. I think you've absolutely smashed it with this, mate. I really like this. Just being in it now, it's a handful. But I mean, when it's dry, does it lay some of that power down?
It'll hook up in high boost because I had to get bigger tyres, so it's got 315 rear tyres.
315.
Yeah.
Flipping out.
Yeah,
That's a
yeah.
massive.
Yeah,
Mate.
big. But now when it's dry, you can put it all down from second upwards. First is a bit of a waste of time. Second upwards, and it's bonkers.
Mate, it's an incredible build. And is that it done, or are you going to try and do
No,
something?
I think I'm gonna probably look at meth for it because you can get another 100 or so horsepower, and it runs cooler and safer because it does get hot.
Yeah.
Not that it does any harm, but I think that would be the easiest way of getting 800 horsepower. How much more could you ever want?
Exactly. Don't need that much more.
No, and I'm going to change the looks a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm going to get rid of the side skirts on it because I want it to look like just a completely fresh Supra.
Yeah. Well, mate, It looks absolutely stunning. Thank you so much for taking me out here. I really
Thank you for having
appreciate
me.
it. I hope you've all enjoyed the video. If you have, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all very soon on the next one. Thanks for watching.